So the rally continues unabated on Nifty and Sensex. If you go back and see my last weekend's video, I had mentioned that a very powerful rally is going to engulf Sensex and Nifty this week. And so happened. A lot of my subscribers have made very good amount of money, and I'm so glad that that you guys could do so well. I still feel a little unhappy. I've not been able to reach as many people as has been my purpose. As I've told you, my purpose is to reach as many people as possible. To answer one of my viewers' question, this rally will not continue forever. I would like to reach out to people and tell them when this will stop, when they can get into some other positions, when they can really buy stocks seeing a better price. And for that I have to be able to, and you guys have to help me. You have to, there's nothing else I can do. The viewership is always increasing, and I would like you guys to be a part of my team, to forward and share my videos with people who you think would be benefiting. WhatsApp groups, this is the best you guys can do. That's my request to all of you all. Please try and do it in each of you all in a very substantial way. I believe that difficult times are ahead, but if people are forewarned, then my purpose of this entire process of making videos will be achieved. I want to see that people make a good amount of money with the knowledge that I can give them, but there is going to be a time when things will change soon. So please do share, forward, subscribe my videos, whoever you believe could be finding it useful, whichever WhatsApp group. Just do your best. Coming back to the markets, well, very good week. As you saw that the whole week has been fantastic. There have been some minor corrections in between, but they were bought into. What should I describe this whole week? The stimulus by the Indian government is also not out. Coronavirus cases are on the increase, yet you found that the markets were very exuberant. They took every advantage, and the rally kept going on and on. Nifty is pretty much close to its 10,000 levels. And I've been, so many people have been questioning me and asking me, now are we racing towards 10,000 and 12,000? Well, I will address that shortly. The question is that what happens first of all? Are we running out of steam? Is this pretty much done, or do we still have a lot of firepower going ahead from here? That's just short question, and then I will try and answer the other questions as well. So yes, there is, see, this whole rally is based on expectations. Expectations, what type of expectations? Expectations that the economy will be opened up. Expectations that the coronavirus cases will decline. Expectations that stimulus will come by the government to help the small and medium enterprises. There's nothing wrong in hoping, but this is provided that the government is able to actually provide all the stimulus, that they are able to lift the lockdown, that the coronavirus cases decline. Look into each of these three factors. What is the likelihood? Stimulus they may announce, but does the government have enough money at hand? They look at the tax collections, they are falling rapidly. So, and how much can the government do by way of printing notes and deficit financing? It will lead to inflation. So it's a double-edged sword. It's difficult. They will do it, I'm sure. Package coming shortly, maybe this weekend itself. But it's a double-edged sword. So don't get too carried away. Second is, are the coronavirus cases declining? Well, on a percentage basis, yes, they are doubling slower. But on an absolute basis, the cases are in fact going up. So third question is will the lockdown be lifted on May 3rd? That's what is there on everybody's mind now. Are we going to be free from our homes? Free to go about wherever we want? Restaurants, cafeterias, movies, back again? Restricted life here. doing household chores, mopping the floor, washing utensils. Well, Corona has a message. It is teaching you guys self-reliance. Everybody is learning the hard way. That's how life should be. You should not be dependent on maids and maid servants to do that. Don't feel bad. You should be doing all these things on your own. It has taught us social distancing. Indians has a lot. Stand very close to each other wherever they go. Wherever you go in a bank, you go in a store. Before you just stand, somebody comes and hits you from behind. And sorry to say, Indians have, even in this 1.5 months, whatever lockdowns and all, they've still not learned social distancing. It will take time. For that to materialize, there is a spiritual message in Corona. You cannot be very close to one person to another human being. Now, if you tell me that the density of population is high, it's not high everywhere. There are good amount of malls, stores where there is a lot of space. Just have a habit, people standing close behind. That's got to change. Okay. So, every factor is negative. Therefore, lockdown difficult to lift. Cases are increasing. Second story is that stimulus rather difficult, and third is economic stimulus is difficult, lockdown difficult to lift, and what else is remaining? What is the hope then? Why is this rally going on? That world economy will revive? World economy cannot revive until the lockdowns are lifted in respective countries. Now America is about to lift it to some extent in this weekend. Germany has already lifted to some extent, but is not convinced, not happy. People are not shopping, malls very empty, businesses are not picking up, 1 week experience very poor. So how will this all happen? Yeah, the rally will go on. Stock markets will keep shooting up, right? Racing now 9,800. Mr. Sunil Kevalramani said it will be great. So it was great, now back. More great next week. Okay, more great. Well, the banking stocks will continue to do well. As I had mentioned yesterday also, there are many people who say, sir, please on Thursday indicate what we'll do next week. So on Friday we can take positions and make some money next week. Okay, I gave you that hint also. Banking stocks will do well next week. Furious rally. You should be able to make money. I hope you guys will give me some Guru Dakshina then. Okay, anyway. Good week. How will each day span out? We'll discuss later. Important thing to remember is that rally is not out of steam as yet. Now, how will the individual days fare? I will be coming back with another video, as I always do. That's my promise. In the meanwhile, don't be concerned. Banking stocks will continue to do well. So you should see some good, more green. There should be more steam in this rally ahead. However, there are certain divergent trends. The economy and the stock markets are moving in divergent trends now, completely divergent. And sooner or later, you will find that one of them has to play catch up, right? Either the economy has to improve or the stock markets have to fall. Either of the two things have to happen. Both cannot be moving in divergent and different directions at the same time. So, but steam is still left. Enjoy the rally while it lasts. Or so should I say, make hay while the sun still continues shining. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.